The pros and cons of investing in stocks versus cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at the pros and cons of each option. Cryptocurrencies. Pros. Cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new investment, which means there is a lot of potential for growth. They're also much more volatile than stocks, which can make for more significant gains. Bitcoin, the most well-known cryptocurrency, is currently worth over $30,205 per coin. Ethereum is also doing well, with a current value of over $1,793 per coin. Cons. Because they're so new, cryptocurrencies are riskier than stocks. Their value can also fluctuate wildly, which can make them difficult to predict. Lastly, because governments like stocks do not regulate them, there's a greater chance of fraud. Stocks. Pros. Stocks are a more traditional investment, which can make them more stable and more accessible to predict than cryptocurrencies. They're also regulated by governments, which provides some protection against fraud. Lastly, you can buy stocks in fractional shares, which means you don't have to spend a lot of money to get started. Cons. Because they're more stable, stocks tend to grow slower than volatile investments like cryptocurrencies. They're also subject to things like a recession. Lastly, the stock market can be manipulated by people with a lot of money. So, which one is the better investment? This completely depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're looking for something with more potential for growth, then cryptocurrencies might be the way to go. But stocks might be a better option if you're looking for something more stable.